Hey everyone, in this video we're just going to quickly go through an introduction to how Echosetter actually works. It is a new software, so when you look at, for example, Go High Level, you're going to be used to how maybe Go High Level works, maybe you're not, but what I'm going to show you in this video is essentially the relationship between how you're going to use Go High Level with Echosetter, and I'm going to use a really good analogy here to help you understand like the role of Go High Level and the role of Echosetter using this analogy, right? So I'll just quickly show you. Here we have a nice diagram. So as you can see here, Go High Level, and over here you have Echosetter. Now, in a company, with every company, you'll have your CEO. Your CEO tells, even in a human case, will tell an employee their role. It will tell them how they're working, when they're working, and all these different things. It will control the flow and the vision of the entire business, and it will have access, or he will have access, or she will have access to like the entire company, right? Not just a specific area of the business. So that includes like the contacts, the data, the infrastructure, and everything like this. With Echosetter, you can think of this as like your HR team, but instead of human resources, it's AI resources, air. Now, with AI resources, which is going to be your Echosetter, this is where you kind of create this thing from nothing to a working employee in both your business to help you grow and also to be installed into your niche's business to help completely 10x them. So when you're going through the course, you're going to be using Go High Level and obviously white label as your sort of CEO, and you're going to use your Echosetter, which is integrated inside your Go High Level, to build your assistants to go and work for both your company and for other businesses. And in Echosetter, we're going to tell them, what their name is, their identity, their role, and you're also within Echosetter going to essentially give them like an SOP, which means like a standard operating procedure. As in, when your AI assistant goes to work, you're going to tell it exactly what to do. So I'll go more into that in a second. So where this ends up looking, right, is like you have your Go High Level and your Echosetter, but of course you can white label it. So on both of these, if you're just starting out, then don't worry. All you do is your brand, it just becomes both brands. You don't have to create two different logos. It's just a singular brand. If you already have a Go High Level agency doing lead generation or whatever for other businesses, you can just add that logo to your Echosetter as a white label and sell that as a service as an upsell. If you're just starting, then you can sell the whole service as one. So here's an example. It is like these sort of softwares become your white label and, for example, lead estate. And when you have your specific company, you can then go into so many different niches, it's crazy. You have med spa, dental, real estate, solar, law, HVAC, roofing, like the list is endless. Throughout this course, I will just stick it to real estate. So if you are doing real estate already, you can just use this work. But we also have in this course access to snapshots that are all inclusive to any niche, and we also have an all inclusive snapshot for the agency as well. Now, taking that sort of AI sort of resources company, or that where it teaches your AI to work, as you can see, is even if you have different clients that need different things, you just specify tasks and functionality for each niche you're in. So if you're building an AI assistant for real estate, you might give it certain tasks and certain things to do, certain questions that may not apply to solar. So then you just create two different ones and you train them differently to ask different questions, etc. Now, where it gets really awesome is like, why would you even use Echosetter on top of your Go High Level initial offer if you're not, if you're someone offering this already, like why would you do it? And the magic is this, right? When you're marketing, right now, we have this really oversaturation of like, if you look in the ads, you'll see this, hey, we can offer you 20 to 30 appointments a month. Like we see loads of this in advertising. And even when you cold call or sending cold email campaign, this can get very outdated. It's hard to cut through the noise. Whereas when you add on the Echosetter on top of the Go High Level as a third-party integration, you then go to this. Where instead of saying we can offer you, some lead generation, you can go with a much bolder claim that massively increases your conversion and your ability to cut through the noise with selling high ticket to these clients, which will get you to a much higher recurring revenue faster. Where you can then say to clients, hey, we can help you, here's an assistant which can answer inquiries across social media, live chat, like inbound and outbound phone calls. It can deliver, a phone call to every lead within 30 seconds of submitting a lead form. It can qualify and book people in your calendar 24/7 without your staff having to lift a finger. It can call people to remind them to rebook a service they've already booked, 2 months ago to reactivate those leads. This voice AI and AI assistants massively cut through the noise of traditional marketing agencies. And this is where the magic really comes in. So in this course, I'm going to show you exactly how you can go from either not having a GHL at all or having an existing GHL agency, and how you can integrate Echosetter into your agency and into your business, white label it, install it, build your assistants and sell them, and start generating recurring revenue within the next 30 days. So go through the course, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.